Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
All right, y'all, me and Raw.
What's up, you guys? Y'all holler at your boy. Subscribe to Raw Customs. Holler at me.
Yeah, we're about to get y'all another one. About to start busting up this slab with the jackhammer. I had cleaned these up a couple days ago. So we gonna find a spot over here behind that box Chevy there. Y'all probably don't know that's a box Chevy, but we're gonna find a spot over here to put them out the way until we get the shop up. So I guess we'll go ahead and do that. All right, me and Raw, we got everything over here stacked up out the way. We still got to put a whole lot more stuff on this side up there from over here, but we're gonna do that at a later date. We got the compressor right there as well. It's been sitting here since we took the shop down, but the slab is free. Now it's time to go get the jackhammer. Then we'll see what we're up against. I hope it go well. Y'all pray for us. You think so?
Yeah, I think it's gonna go pretty easy.
All right, we got a plan. I'll let y'all know once I get that jackhammer. Here's the jackhammer. We're gonna get Raw to take it over there to the slab, then we'll unbox it.
It's so heavy right here, y'all.
And it was pretty cheap. I think it was like.
Oh my God, it is heavy. Oh man, hold on a minute.
He might need some help, y'all.
I just playing.
Yeah, it was pretty cheap on Amazon. I think it was like $129. So can't go wrong with that, because if you rent one, it's gonna be the same price just about. But we're gonna unbox it here. And it's called the Extreme Power, US Extreme Power 2200 watt demolition hammer. All right, y'all, we're gonna do this unboxing. See what we got. You got any experience doing the jackhammer, Raw?
Nah, I ain't never operated one of those before.
I think I done picked up one before, one of them.
Pneumatic?
Yeah, heavy duty one. Still got some wheels on the case, if I can get it out.
Okay, hold on, guys.
I ain't gonna need that yet. I'm just gonna tear it open.
Nice little case they got in it.
Yeah, it look like some oil or something leaking. Got a mask. Yeah, some oil leaking somewhere. Dust mask. Come with some gloves, I see. That's nice. Spanner wrench and some more brushes. Come with some extra ones. I guess they're extra ones. And some keys and a little bottle there. The goggles. Y'all know it's safety first. See what we got here. Y'all see this one here with a point on it.
That's the one we probably gonna be using, right?
I don't know. Let's see what we got. I'm new to this too. I've just been watching videos on it. I think I'm gonna use this one first. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be using this one.
Chisel.
Yeah. And we got the jackhammer. I think that's on. I guess it come ready to use because I don't see no oil in that. I just see some oil right here where it looks like it's been leaking out.
She looks pretty good. She looks nice. I like that color on her. Black and red.
That ain't too heavy.
Oh yeah. As long as she do the job, get the job done. On those videos that you watched, that's pretty much like, okay, I see how, yeah.
See, I don't know what I'm doing. How you lock it down in place? I need to read the instructions. Yeah, I need to read the instructions.
Basically, it's just like that little air chisel gun I got on.
Okay, that might be right there. I don't know. We'll get it together.
But it came with, as you can see, it came with two different type of points. It came with a chisel point, and it came with a straight point. So you get two of those, so you can change it up if you need to.
You gotta make sure you keep it oiled. I know that. They got like a window right here. Where is it? Right here. Is it halfway? Yeah, almost halfway. All right, here we go. The game plan is I'm gonna go all the way down from this end to that end now and just score the concrete. Then I'm gonna come back and hit it again. I'm trying to keep it in big pieces so it won't be no small pieces.
Okay, you guys. As y'all see, Sprayway, he been hard at it over here.
I ain't got nowhere. Y'all see what I done did. Well, me and Raw, off camera. But you go on and tell them what the deal is.
I'm gonna give y'all a quick rundown on what's going on right here. All right, so you guys, what's happening is the jackhammer is working great. It's doing its job. But the problem is it's going too slow because of the simple fact when we first started busting the concrete up, we started on this corner here. So when we started on it, on a corner, it was probably about 3 to 4 inches thick concrete. Yeah. But it's the more we go in farther, it gets way thicker. You could tell by looking at this right here. This is a piece that came out there. You see how thick it's getting? That's really thick. So and what's going on? It's just
yeah, it ain't even working. It's just taking too long, and we ain't got no time to be playing around.
Yeah, cause we try to get this building on the road, y'all. So we coming up with another game plans. So we thinking about what's going on. So one of the things we thinking about is mounting the post onto the slab itself, anchoring it down.
3 posts. I'm thinking 3 posts gonna be all we need where the slab at. And we thinking about just putting it anchoring to the slab. And we also thought about just busting up where the post gonna be, but we actually don't know where the post gonna be at right now. So
we will have to lay it out.
Yeah.
We'll have to lay it out and get a rough on that. And then the third thing is we thinking about just go rent a bobcat with the jackhammer attachment, and then just go ahead and work for 8 hours and bust up as much as we need for 8 hours. You know, and then that's it. So whichever gonna be the most fastest, money ahead, wise, whatever, that's what we're gonna go with. So when you see this video, we're gonna be already came up with it.
Yeah, it's gonna be already done by then.
So that's
why you need to go check Raw Customs out. He gonna have it all already posted on his channel.
Oh yeah, so y'all can come on with it.
Pretty much 2 months ahead.
Yeah, y'all come on with it on over there on my channel. Check me out, man. Make sure when y'all go to my channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get my subscribers up, man. So,
but me and Raw, we're gonna show y'all a little bit demonstration. I'm gonna do a little bit, then he gonna do a little bit. Show you how it's going. See, whatever plan that I go with for is doing the rest of it, either anchoring the post to the concrete, this slab, or just busting out where the hole is gonna be. I still gotta bust this up over here because it's not solid, and you can see I done started on it. See, ain't none of this solid. It's coming up real easy. This was the addition I put on. It's not even thick. I wish all of it was like that. So all this gotta come up. So I'm finna do this, and then I just think about how I'm gonna do the rest. There you have it. Now I just got to get my wheelbarrow and haul it out. All right, I got that done. I took the rake and leveled it off some. I guess on my next video I'll be bringing some dirt in. Level everything off.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.
Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up, we never stop. Right from the